What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's check out how to set aside tax reserves via Lendio. It's going to be a couple of steps. I'm just going to show you guys how to get this done, so let's not waste any time at all and get into it. Now the first step is to connect your business accounts. So all you got to do is log into your Lendio dashboard and then navigate to banking or connected accounts. There you're going to link your primary business checking accounts where income is deposited. Next step is to review your income history. So go ahead and open the cash flow or income overview section. There you're going to identify your average monthly or weekly gross income. Be sure to note any irregular income spikes because this is important for adjusting tax reserves. Third step is to determine your tax revenue percentage. So you got to decide on a conservative tax rate. For sole proprietors, this is typically 25 to 30%. For LLCs or corporations, just follow your accountant's guidance. Now, next you will need to choose a single percentage to apply consistently. Next step is to create a detailed tax reserve category. Just go to budgeting or funds allocations and then create a new category. I just label that tax reserves. You want to make sure you mark it as restricted or non-spendables if the option exists. Next step is to automate tax set-asides. So you want to enable automatic allocations if it's available. Just set the system to divert your chosen percentage of every income deposit into the tax reserve category. You can also apply the rule to all income sources or just selected ones. Next step is to monitor and adjust. So you want to review the tax reserves balance monthly. You also want to make sure that you increase the percentage if income grows or if your tax obligations rise. Also keep funds untouched until quarterly or annual tax payments. The final step is to prepare for tax payments. So before tax deadlines, you want to confirm your reserve matches expected liabilities and also transfer funds from the tax reserve categories to pay federal, state, or local taxes. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.